Welcome to Intelligence Gateway.
Lecture 1, Introduction to Business Analytics. In Lecture 1 of Introduction to Business Analytics, we delve into the fundamental concepts and principles that form the backbone of this dynamic field. Business analytics involves the systematic analysis of data to derive actionable insights that drive informed decision-making and enhance business performance. Here's a breakdown of what would typically be covered. 1. Definition and scope. We start by defining what business analytics is and what it encompasses. This includes understanding its role in leveraging data to gain strategic advantages, optimize operations, and improve overall business outcomes. 2. Importance and applications. Next, we explore why business analytics is crucial in today's data-driven world. We discuss its diverse applications across various industries, from finance and marketing to operations and human resources. 3. Key concepts. We introduce key concepts such as data mining, predictive modeling, machine learning, and statistical analysis. These concepts serve as the foundation for understanding how businesses can extract valuable insights from their data. 4. Data lifecycle. Understanding the lifecycle of data is essential in business analytics. We discuss the stages involved, including data collection, cleaning, analysis, interpretation, and decision-making. 5. Tools and technologies. We explore the tools and technologies commonly used in business analytics, such as statistical software like R and Python, data visualization tools like Tableau and Power BI, and big data platforms like Hadoop and Spark. 6. Challenges and opportunities. Business analytics presents both challenges and opportunities. We discuss common challenges such as data quality issues, privacy concerns, and organizational resistance, as well as the opportunities for innovation, efficiency gains, and competitive advantage. 7. Ethical and legal considerations. We touch upon the ethical and legal implications of using data in business analytics, including privacy rights, data security, and compliance with regulations such as GDPR and CCPA. 8. Future trends. Finally, we explore emerging trends in business analytics, such as the rise of artificial intelligence, automation, and the increasing importance of real-time analytics and prescriptive analytics.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.